So this just came in. This is the engine donor someday maybe for that bluish one for the M3, and of course now it's just came in, so I have to check what actually is happening here. What are the parts missing? As you can see, the front is not there. It's missing. But other than that, there's many parts inside. So I have to check what's happening there. Also, there are quite a few parts in the bonnet, not in the bonnet, in the trunk. So I have to watch what's there. And yeah, of course, as you can see, the engine looks very nice, and also there's these engine intakes that look fairly cool. So you have to actually watch, well, not watch, check what's there. There's these carbon mirrors. Of course, they're not looking that nice anymore. Very nice wheels, carbon skirts. Also, there's carbon diffuser in the back, and yeah, more stuff like that. So I'll give you a second actually, and I will try to figure out where to put the camera, and then try to actually see what's inside. But you can immediately, well, that doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Yeah, of course the battery is dead, so yeah, I have to do stuff now.